On April 20, a report from Bloomberg News indicates the Netherlands is transferring some of its German-built Panzerhaubitze 2000 long-range armored howitzers to Ukraine. Also known as the PZH-2000, these hulking 61, 5-ton tracked vehicles are arguably the heaviest land warfare systems a Western ally has transferred to Ukraine so far. Germany itself has so far refrained from giving heavy weapons to Ukraine as German Chancellor Scholze claims it risks depleting the reserves of the Bundeswehr or excessively provoking Russia. But Berlin will support the Dutch transfer to Ukraine by training Ukrainian soldiers on German or Polish soil to operate the big vehicles, as well as supply the 155mm shells they use. The remainder of this article looks at the PZH-2000's capabilities and how many could conceivably be dispatched to Ukraine. 155mm caliber heavy artillery systems are quite common across the globe, but they're hardly all created equal even if the shells fired are of similar diameter. With the Panzerhaubitze 2000, which began development in 1987, German firms Rheinmetall and KMW set out to make the gold-plated Porsche of armored self-propelled howitzers to replace the Bundeswehr's U.S. built M109 Paladins. Thus the new vehicle integrated technological enhancements to nearly every aspect of what could have been a boilerplate design. The resulting 12-meter-long vehicle, which incorporated elements of the Leopard 1 and 2 tanks, can still accelerate to a respectable 41 miles per hour thanks to its turbocharged 986 horsepower MTU 881 diesel engine. The main armament is a long-barreled rifled 52 caliber 155mm gun is fed shells by an ornate auto-loading system, as you can see below. The human loader need only insert appropriate strength charges prior to firing, though the gun can also be fully manually loaded should the autoloader malfunction. A total of 60 shells can be stored, typically including smoke and illumination rounds as well as high explosives. The gun's chromium-lined, laser-hardened barrel also has substantial heat tolerance, allowing it to sustain high rates of fire which would quickly overheat the barrel and require lengthy cooldowns than other howitzers. Rapid-fire attacks can be more lethal, as most casualties caused by artillery occur in the first few minutes of a bombardment, when personnel are surprised and exposed and have yet to make it into cover.